Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, Jose multiplies the fifth multiple of 4 by the seventh multiple of 4. What will be the result? Firstly, let us see fifth multiple of 4. So it is 20 and seventh multiple of 4, that is 28. So the result will be 20 by 28. Multiply this. 28 by 20. So it is 0 into 28 is 0. Then multiply 28 by 2. Firstly add 0 to the units place. So 8 to the 16. Write 6 to the tens place and carry 1 forward to the hundreds place. 2 to the 4 plus 1 is 5. So it is 560. Hence, our correct option is option A, which is 560.